Morning team, here we are with Akash, and if Akash, if you want to tell us
What's up?
tell us what your name means.
My name means attractive.
Well, his mum was obviously very smart. There we go. We are at Neer Waterfall. Oh my God, isn't it beautiful? Look at that. It's not even that cold. Some Himalaya stuff behind, and down there is the monstrous walk that we had to do to actually get here. But we've been for a swim, and some of the local lads are really loving life. It's crystal clear water straight off the mountain, so there's no shit in it, hopefully. And now I've got the best super noodles on the planet, and if they come back to bite me, then you know, that's my own fault. But we've done a few pictures up here of some kids diving in. The light is beautiful, nice and strong, nice and warm. And yeah, I'm gonna eat my noodles, have my coffee, and then see what happens next.